Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get the best quality out of your Sony Cyber DSC W330. So let's get into it. Okay, so we're all set up now, and by the way, I aren't actually at this location. It is literally just my house. Like, look. It is just my monitor. I'm just sort of having it as like an example, really. Right, so the settings that I have it on is steady shot and 16:9 11M or 4:3 14M. Okay, so we'll have it on this one for now. Then I have it on, depending on what sort of scene I'm on. So for this one, I'm going to do daylight. So you can hear when it gets into focus. Let me just turn my light out so it's not got glare on my screen. So you can hear when it gets into focus, because listen. So you have to press the shutter and then take a photo. And you can hear that beep. That then means that it's in focus, ready for you to shoot. If you don't hear that beep, then it won't let you shoot. Oh, it will. But it's actually quite good, that. But then if you zoom in on a very close object. Oh, why did it do that? Why it gotta be like that? But yeah, it's the F there, so it says F5.7. It's that sort of means that it won't really get in focus. So let me just show you only the screen now, really. Because that's all that we really need to see for this part. So you can see, when we're not zoomed in at all, the F is 2.7, which you can see there. But then once fully zoomed in, on that area, it's 5.7. So in reality, even 4.5 is bad. .5's alright. I suppose it also matters on, like, you can see in this area it isn't focused, even though we're on f4.5. Then when we zoom out, still on f4.5 and it does the beep, which means it's in focus. So it isn't actually focusing there, which is a shame. So yeah, just remember about distance between the camera and what you are actually shooting. So you can see I have this little action camera here. So say I was wanting to like show off the fact that it's a Goodman's. It's something that you don't really want to show off because it isn't like the best quality, but hey. So let me just get my light ready. So you can see it isn't focusing, whereas if I was to go into 1x zoom, then we'll focus. So really it matters on range between the camera and, whoa, please don't fall over. So really it matters on range between the camera and what you're shooting, and also how far you zoomed in. So if I was to have it like that, let's try that actually. finger literally basically on the lens. Does it actually? Yeah, so it sort of matters how far you zoomed in, really. But yeah, so this is how you get the best quality, really. So yeah, make sure you're on steady shot, so you like say you're not actually using a tripod. Let's take a photo of this scenery. Using steady shot, you can see my hands are a bit shaky. Come on then, take a photo. Silly thingy, innit? So one time zoom, taking a photo with steady shot. And you can see it's an alright photo. And then if we go into intelligent auto adjustment, take a photo. Don't know how much different they'll actually be, but we'll find out, I guess. So yeah, there isn't really much difference, but if we then go into program auto, you can see there's a P in that corner, which means that sort of tells you what mode it's in. Be a bit shaky, why don't we? Be a bit more shaky. Wow, let's see. See, very shaky. That is a blurry photo. But then if we go into the steady shot, be the same amount of shake, maybe even a bit more. You can see this one is definitely better than this one. So yeah, that's how you get the best quality out of your camera. Well, your Sony Cyber Shot DSC W330. So yeah, the thing is, really, if you wanted to get good photos on this camera, really you should have it in the steady shot. And then depending on what sort of scene you're shooting, go into the white balance, then change it to the sort of scene that you're shooting. So yeah, thanks for watching. My socials will link in the description. Instagram is at harlands_photography, and then my TikTok is at harlands_photography, and my blog is linked in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.